Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Kim Go-eun's request for an analysis of the ideal type has been received. Jung Soo-young's application was made and he also pulled out the list. Kim Go-eun's fortune was so good that it was very difficult and easy to find her ideal type. What kind of fortune will it be? And who was chosen? Let's analyze it together. Kim Go-eun's fortune tells us that the flow of energy is very good, and it's a good fortune that has all the energy she needs in her fortune. This structure is a structure that can be done well no matter what, and it is a fortune that can be successful. But next to the letter that refers to herself, the letter that means art is very powerful. Therefore, I think Kim Go-eun is spreading her talent into an artistic field. Jung Hae, Lee Minho, Gong-yu, SHINee Minho, EXO, Park Bo-gum, Park Seo-joon, and Henry will participate in the game. Jung Soo-young picked the list for us. Thank you. Let's have a match between you two and pick the final winner. The first battle is between Jung Hae and Lee Minho. Jung Hae looks like a scholar whose fortune is a martial art. It's a strong energy, but there's no letter for a woman. Lee Minho has the energy to treat women well, and the energy that corresponds to women is strong. I think he will probably meet someone who's good at her part. The woman is also a word for the sun, so he will meet a very shining and wonderful person. The first battle is Lee Minho's victory. The second match is between Gong-yu and SHINee Minho. Neither of you has any letters for women. However, Gong-yu is facing a letter whose four energies mean art right next to the letter that points to him. In the same position as Kim Go-eun, the same character with the same disposition is strongly located. Gong-yu and Kim Go-eun were born with natural talent as entertainers. SHINee Minho is a good fortune with a sense of responsibility and diligence that is very suitable for organizational life. However, Gong-yu, who has the same temperament, will be the winner. The second match is Gong-yu's victory. The third battle is between EXO and Park Bo-gum. Seo has letters that correspond to women, but he has no energy to treat them well, and instead, the woman is giving energy to both sides, but overall, the flow of energy is good structure. Park Bo-gum is united with the letters that mean women. He has the energy to treat women well. The third round will be Park Bo-gum's victory. The fourth battle is between Park Seo-joon and Henry. Both of you have strong female energy. Park Seo-joon is a little far away and Henry is close by. However, Park Seo-joon will win this game because there is a bit of instability in which women's energy is colliding with each other in Henry's fortune. The fourth game is Park Seo-joon's victory. Next, Lee Minho and Gong-yu, Park Bo-gum and Park Seo-joon, we will pick the winner as the winner. First, Lee Minho and Gong-yu will compete. Lee Minho's energy is finally flowing to the woman. It means that the woman is very precious and very influential in life. And the woman is very smart and good at her part. Gong-yu doesn't have any letters for the woman. Instead, a substrate similar to Kim Go-eun's is located in the same location. Lee Minho will win this match. Next, Park Bo-gum and Park Seo-joon will compete. Park Bo-gum has the energy to treat women well. However, there is a bit of complexity because the same energy as himself is combined with one woman. Park Seo-joon also has a competitor next to the letter that points to him, but he is not combining. It's hard to judge, but I will win Park Seo-joon. Finally, it's the last match. It's a battle between Lee Minho and Park Seo-joon. I'm sure you are all expecting it. Lee Minho's energy is flowing to the woman. There is also the energy to treat a woman well, starting with the letter that means himself. And the woman has a very powerful energy. Lee Minho is a rare structure of fortune in which his spouse is very precious and has a great influence in life. As expected, Lee Minho's victory. After 7 battles, Lee Minho was chosen as the final winner. Kim Go-eun's fortune seems to have been easier to find her ideal type because she has such a good flow of energy. And since Lee Minho's fortune is a special structure with a rare structure, I'm sure many of you expected Lee Minho from the beginning. They had good chemistry in their acting. I don't know their actual relationship, but please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.